Hi, it's Paraic here from Horkans. Well, we're in the potato planting season, and the most popular question I get asked at this time of year are which varieties are suitable as flowery potatoes. We Irish love the flowery spud. Well, here are 5 that I can highly recommend. Starting with one of the early varieties, one called British Queens, which produce big round tubers that are extremely flowery. All you need is some butter and some salt with British Queen. It's a beautiful variety, very easy to grow, suitable for growing in the veggie bag on your patio to have some early flowery potatoes in the season. Follow that with a variety called Carlos. Carlos is again a really flowery variety. It's an early main crop variety, so it comes in just after British Queen. And again, you can grow Carlos in the veggie bag, or indeed you can plant it out into your garden soil or grow it in a tunnel if you wish for a really early crop. But Carlos again is a really flowery variety, and it's also blight resistant. Another excellent flowery and blight resistant variety is one called Blue Danube. And Blue Danube has this beautiful purple outer skin that children just love, but more importantly, it produces big flowery tubers that you can use in late summer, autumn and winter. It's a really good variety that stores extremely well through the winter season. I also love King Edwards because King Edwards, for me, produce one of the biggest tubers, again, that are packed with flower. They're a really nice variety, again, ideal for mashing. They can be used for chipping and for roasting, and a really good variety for storing through the winter period. And finally, probably the driest and floweriest potato of them all is one called Golden Wonder. And Golden Wonder, again, is easy to grow. It's a late main crop variety, so it's a variety that's ready to harvest closer to kind of mid-autumn, early winter. Beautiful variety to have for Christmas. It makes beautiful flowery potatoes for Christmas. So Golden Wonder for me, again, are balls of flour. Again, lovely for boiling, for mashing, but also make fantastic roasties. So my top 5 starts with British Queen, followed by Carlos, followed by Blue Danube, try some King Edwards, and then finish it off with Golden Wonders. And you can plant all of those varieties together. They'll all mature at different times of year. Remember, it's potato planting time here at Horkans. We've got a huge selection of different varieties for salads, for flowery potatoes, for varieties that you grow in pots and containers, or indeed in the veggie bag. If you order your potatoes online at horkans.ie, we will deliver them to your door. Bye for now, and remember, give it a grow.